c'est d'apprendre à vivre dans le maintenant.
You need to learn how to live your life now.
Parce que le maintenant, on appelle ça le glorieux maintenant.
Because now is a glorious now.
Et le glorieux maintenant, il est plein de l'amour, de la douceur et de la bonté de Dieu.
And this glorious now is full of love, softness, and good from divine and from God.
Et c'est l'amour qui ouvre les portes.
It's only love who will open the doors. Bonjour Victor.
Bonjour Katia.
Bonjour Katia, bonjour Victor. Il faut comprendre que vous avez en premier 3 corps en premier, le corps mental, le corps astral et le corps physique.
So we say, now we will enter a new subject. He's saying we need to understand we have 3 different bodies. So the mental body, astral body, physical body.
Voilà. Donc ces 3 plans, il y a le plan mental,
It's 3 different plans.
donc celui où vous pensez.
Mental plan, the way of
Il y a le
thinking.
plan, le corps astral, c'est le plan des émotions, ce qui vous
Astral
permet de
corps,
ressentir et de vivre des émotions. Et
which
vous avez
helps you to feel.
le
emotions.
plan physique. Le
And
monde
then the
physique.
physical plans,
c'est-
sensation.
Et c'est pour ça que vous avez 3 karmas.
That's why we got 3 karmas.
Vous avez un karma sur le plan mental,
1 karma on the mental level,
vous avez un karma sur le plan astral,
1 karma on the astral level,
et vous avez un karma sur le plan physique.
Oh, no.
1 karma on the physical.
Is the bad news?
C'est une mauvaise nouvelle, il a dit.
Non, c'est pas une mauvaise nouvelle.
That's the game.
Mais c'est-
That's the game.
Yeah.
Non, parce
Alright.
que
C'est le jeu.
C'est le jeu et notre univers, il est basé sur ces lois. Et ces lois saintes de notre univers, elles sont immuables. Il vaut mieux les comprendre tout de suite. Si vous voulez devenir un roi sur Terre, il vaut mieux les comprendre et commencer à les pratiquer.
What he's saying is on our universe, there are eternal laws. This is the way it is. If you want to be a king on this earth, you need to know it. These 3 karmas, you need to understand it and you need to master it. And so that are eternal laws. You can go against it. It belongs to the game.
So the
It
common-
defines the game
The
itself.
common knowledge is that the karmas is something bad, something that you inherit to clean from your lineage, and the other term of dharma as well, the gifts. Is that the good news as well, or there is no good news?
I will ask him. Lui, ce qu'il te demande, c'est que pour lui, le karma, c'est quelque chose que tu hérites. When you mean lineage, you mean like
Yeah, from lineage or
ancestors.
from your past lives to different dimensions.
Yes, it's 2 different things and he will make it clear, okay? Because qu'est-ce qu'il dit? Il dit qu'en fait, le karma, c'est ce qu'on hérite de ses ancêtres ou de ses vies passées. Première question. Et est-ce qu'il existe un bon karma, c'est-à-dire ce que les bouddhistes appellent le dharma?
Bah, évidemment.
Of course,
D'abord,
yes.
oui, vous avez le karma de vos vies passées.
You have
Donc,
the
quand
karma
vous
from your past life.
vous vous réincarnez
Yes.
automatiquement en fonction de votre karma. Puisque quand vous mourrez, quand vous vous désincarnez plus exactement, eh bien, instantanément, il y a le décompte exact de tout ce que vous avez pensé, dit et fait de bon et de pas bon. Et à partir de là, le karma détermine, parce que c'est une loi d'évolution et d'amour, détermine votre future vie et là où vous allez être, dans quelle famille, etc.
So he's explaining that we are the result of 1,000 life, which is the karma. So of course, when you incarnate, you will carry with you your own karma, and this karma will is a determinism. It will choose for you your family, where you will born, the country, different elements in it. So this karma, of course, exists, and it's something we carry with us through different lives.
Maintenant, il faut que vous compreniez également que donc vous héritez du karma de vos actions passées quand vous vous réincarnez. C'est ce qui détermine dès le départ votre vie et l'endroit où vous êtes. Et aussi qu'il est déterminé par la croyance en votre Dieu, parce que votre karma de pays va dépendre en premier du Dieu auquel vous croyez. Ça aussi, personne, on l'a rarement dit.
So he's going even into precise details because your karma, of course, we inherit our karma from our past action. And something that is never said is the country you will be born, the country you are born. It's related to your beliefs, spiritual beliefs. So if you are born in India, if you are born in Tibet, if you are born in Portugal, if you are born in Mexico, it means you don't have the same belief about God. And also it's something that's it's heritage from your past life. It's also related to your karma.
Et également, vous allez naître homme si vous êtes dominant électro et vous allez naître femme si vous êtes dominant magnétique. Ça, c'est ce qui va déterminer si vous naissez homme ou si vous naissez femme.
The same thing happens with your sex. If you're born as a male, if you're born or as a man, if you're born as a woman. As a man means you are more electric. And as a woman means your magnetic field is higher, is bigger.
That's interesting.
So what I want to say to summarize is there is no choice here. It's coming from the karma.
We have no choice.
Alors, il faut continuer, parce que c'est des choses qui étaient importantes à comprendre. Quand vous arrivez dans une famille, vous dépendez du karma de la famille jusqu'à l'âge de 21 ans.
When you're born in a family, you will depend on this family's karma until you reach 21 years old.
C'est-à-dire que votre famille
Your
est
family,
responsable de votre karma,
your family is responsible of your karma.
parce qu'en premier, à l'âge de 14 ans, vous recevez votre corps astral.
Because when you are exactly 14 years old, you will receive your astral corpse.
Et à l'âge de 21 ans,
And
vous
at
recevez votre
20.
corps mental.
And at 21 years old, you will receive your mental corpse,
Et on va dire
mental
que
body.
karmiquement, vous devenez responsable à partir de 21 ans ou à partir du moment où vous sortez de votre milieu familial.
This is very interesting. What is precising is like when you reach 21 years old, you become karmically responsible for yourself. So it means it was not the case before. That was your family. But if you get out your family nest before, you start, imagine you left your family nest at 17 years old. You start to be responsible for your own karma at this age.
Et il est important de bien comprendre que, ok, vous avez un karma, mais vous avez le libre arbitre. Ça veut dire qu'à chaque instant, par la loi du libre arbitre, vous avez la possibilité soit d'améliorer votre karma, soit de l'aggraver. Mais votre liberté de penser est bien réelle. Et donc, si vous pensez bien, et vous récolterez bien.
So when you start to be responsible for your own karma, you have the possibility through your choices and your way of thinking to make it better. Or otherwise, if you don't think properly, you will make it worse. So when he says we start to be responsible of our own karma at the age of 21,
Okay.
it's reality, the truth.
I have some questions in here. And I want to understand it a little bit deeper. And I will
Il
come
a des
with,
questions maintenant.
I will come with an example.
Il va
from
donner un
my-
exemple.
This is intriguing me because I learned
Ça l'intrigue maintenant.
because I have seen a lot of parts of myself through the eyes of constellation, through theta healing, through Reiki, through Akashic records, and this doesn't make sense anymore now. And I would like a little bit of a clarity, and I'm sure I will get it now with you here today, directly with the example. And I have an unusual story, and I was deeply attached to my grandfather that was called Victor. And I was being called Daniel by my family,
Okay.
Daniel, throughout my childhood. And my grandfather, Victor, died when I turned 17 on my birthday. And a few weeks after he died, when they called me Daniel, I could not feel anything in my body. And something was coming, and they said, like, from now on, I want you to call me Victor, like him. At 21 years old, I did very similar steps like him. Like I was in Hungary there for a whole year, the same age he was, so escaping from the war, and the Hungarians took care of him. And then 17 years, I lived as Victor. And only 2 years ago, there were so many signs coming from everywhere that you need to go back to Daniel because Victor is your grandfather. You hold his energy. You are doing all his steps that he couldn't accomplish, and that's what I did. The choices that I've done in all these 17 years, they were things that he wanted to clean up from his life. So now it doesn't make sense anymore. Like we talked about the karma that we are responsible from 21, but in my case, it took much longer. That it took me 35 years.
Ce qu'il explique, c'est sa propre expérience. Il est né en s'appelant Daniel. Et à l'âge de 17 ans, il a perdu son grand-père alors qu'il était vraiment très très proche. Et son grand-père s'appelait Victor. Et à partir donc à cet âge-là, quand son grand-père est décédé, il a senti que vraiment ce prénom Daniel, il se passait plus grand-chose quand on l'appelait par ce prénom-là. Il a choisi de prendre le prénom Victor. Il a vécu donc avec ce prénom Victor pendant très 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 longtemps. 20 years, you say? 20 years with this.
Exactly 17. So
Ah
there
oui,
were
17 ans
as Daniel,
exactement.
Exactly 17 as Victor.
17 ans comme Daniel et 17 ans comme Victor. Et puis, les gens lui ont dit, il a fait énormément de pratiques, du Theta Healing, de la constellation familiale, du Reiki. Et ces pratiques lui ont montré que, à cause de ça, il portait vraiment le karma et les mémoires de son grand-père. Et donc, très récemment, il revient à ce prénom Daniel.
Ce sont des croyances. Ce sont des croyances, Victor.
It's only beliefs.
Okay.
Ce sont des croyances par rapport à ce qu'on t'a dit, quelqu'un t'a dit que tu portais le karma de ton grand-père, ce qui est complètement faux.
It's totally wrong and
Okay.
is fake, is not a truth to carry your grandfather karma.
Okay.
That is only a
Voilà.
fake belief.
Tu portes ton propre karma, oui. Mais
You
pas
carry
celui de ton-
your own karma,
Voilà.
nothing else.
Voilà. Il faut que vous compreniez que vous êtes plus que ce que vous pensez être.
You need to understand that you are much more that you believe you are.
Vous êtes dans la réalité, vous êtes l'âme divine, pur amour, pure connaissance, pure puissance, infinie et illimitée, sans commencement et sans fin.
You are pure divine, pure love, infinite, unlimited. I think he said a lot of things like pure wisdom, like there is a lot of qualities that we incarnate through the divine, and that's who we are.
Vous êtes la conscience divine,
You are the divine consciousness.
vous êtes le soi divin.
You are the divine self.
Donc, vous êtes dans une illusion de vous-même.
So you're just in an illusion about who you are, illusion about yourself.
Donc, la société d'aujourd'hui et du passé a bénéficié des enseignements spirituels qui étaient faux.
This society inherits also a lot of fake spiritual knowledge,
Et qui a emmené les gens, en fait, dans la confusion
which brings a lot of confusion
et les ont éloignés de leur propre libération.
and which make them very far from their own freedom and yes, their own freedom to free
Donc-
themselves from all of this.
J'ai un site internet qui s'appelle transcendance.e.
He got Jean-Luc has his own, of course, platform, transcendence.ai.
Et donc, dans cette première page qui est présentée, c'est réveiller votre divinité intérieure.
And the first thing is awakening your inner divinity.
Donc, votre divinité intérieure,
So your inner
c'est ce que vous
divinity,
êtes réellement.
that's the real truth, the real self.
What
D'accord.
would be the first step for that?
Quelle est la première étape pour ça?
Et la première étape, elle va dépendre... Non, en fait, la première étape pour tout le monde, pour moi, d'accord, c'est la purification du champ de conscience.
The first step is for him, to his point, is the purification of your own or one's magnetic, like electromagnetic
Et
field,
la purification, elle
Or your
équivaut à l'harmonisation des 4 éléments.
or the consciousness field, and the purification of the 4 elements inside
Recevoir,
each of us.
l'objectif étant de recevoir les énergies divines du ciel. Donc, recevoir les énergies divines du ciel, les énergies divines et christiques du ciel, c'est en même temps recevoir les grâces divines.
Also, on this perspective, the first thing is to start to receive the divine energy coming from the heaven, the sky.
Donc, en premier, c'est l'art d'apprendre à recevoir.
So that's the art to receive.
Parce que les gens ne savent pas recevoir.
Because nobody knows how to receive.
À cause
They
de
don't know how
peur,
to
de restrictions de la
receive.
conscience, de croyances et bien d'autres choses.
Because they got fears, limited beliefs, consciousness restriction, and so much more than that. So they don't know how to receive.
Et la conséquence, très souvent, d'une mauvaise approche de Dieu lui-même.
So also it's a consequence of a bad approach of God himself.
Parce que dès le départ, Dieu vous aime.
Because from the beginning, God's loved you. God loves you.
Son amour pour vous est infini.
His love for you is infinite.
D'accord? Mais les restrictions de la conscience empêchent l'amour de Dieu de vous pénétrer, de rayonner à travers vous.
So the consciousness restriction and limitation, it blocks you from receiving divine love and the divine love to really penetrate yourself
Donc, à cause peut-être de la culpabilité,
because of guilt,
de se sentir indigne,
because
ou
you
bien
feel
d'autres
like
choses.
you're not worthy of that, like yes,
Du stress, de l'anxiété.
stress, anxiety, because all of that,
Voilà.
they are blocks.
Donc, c'est avant tout, d'abord comprendre. Je pourrais résumer ça
You need to
en quelques mots,
understand
en
in
quelques lignes.
words.
Hein, dans un passage d'Hélène Caddy de Parole de vie,
So he will now just talk about a very beautiful book called Words of Life from Elaine Caddy,
Oui.
the
La
very
di-
famous author.
la divine providence, elle révèle comment avoir une vie joyeuse, heureuse et satisfaisante en révélant le secret de comment vivre cette vie.
Yeah, so in this book, Divine Providence reveals what is the secret to have a very happy, harmonious, and beautiful life.
Et elle dit,
And Divine Providence says,
maintenant est le seul moment valable.
now is the only valuable moment.
Accepte en vérité,
Accept in truth,
compréhension,
accept now in truth, like understanding,
abondance illimitée de biens,
unlimited abundance of goods,
paix, sécurité, harmonie, joie,
peace, security, harmony, joy
t'appartiennent dès maintenant.
belongs to you from now.
Ne t'attarde pas une seconde dans le passé.
Don't go back to the past.
N'attends pas non plus de bien dans le futur.
Don't expect anything in the future.
Accepte que maintenant est le seul moment
You,
valable.
you need to accept that now is the only valuable moment.
Vis maintenant dans la paix,
Live now in peace,
dans l'harmonie,
in harmony,
dans la paix et l'harmonie.
in peace and harmony.
Donc, sur cette phrase, sur juste ce texte, la divine providence révèle, découvre le secret d'une vie joyeuse, heureuse et satisfaisante.
So it's just on these lines, the divine providence reveals us how to live a happy, harmonious, and great life.
Et elle dit, ne t'attarde pas une seconde dans le passé.
And the divine providence says, don't look back at the past.
Mais
Don't spend time looking back at
la
the
plupart
past.
des gens sont dans le passé.
But most of the time, people are looking back.
Ils cherchent
They are
la
looking
cause de leur passé,
for.
de leurs problèmes, de leurs souffrances.
They look in the past for the causes, for their suffering.
Alors, soit dans le passé, soit dans l'avenir.
Either they are like looking back at the past or looking forward for the future.
Or, pour pouvoir
But
bénéficier de ce secret de cette vie joyeuse, heureuse et satisfaisante,
to receive this secret of a beautiful, joyful, satisfying life,
c'est d'apprendre à vivre dans le maintenant.
you need to learn how to live your life now,
Pourquoi?
right now. Why?
Parce que le maintenant, on appelle ça le glorieux maintenant.
Because now is a glorious now. is
Et
the
le-
glorious now.
Et le glorieux maintenant, il est plein de l'amour, de la douceur et de la bonté de Dieu.
And this glorious now is full of love, softness, and good from divine and from God.
Et c'est l'amour qui ouvre les portes.
It's only love who will open the doors.
That sounds so beautiful.
C'est vraiment très beau.
Definitely the energy changed in the room. You
Yes,
feel it.
absolutely. Of course, il a dit maintenant l'énergie a changé dans la
Bien
pièce.
sûr, c'est automatique.
And
Once
we
you
get in
started
much
to-
more harmony. Even me, the way I translate, like
Yeah.
everything changed. Yes, of course.
Yeah, all those beautiful prayers.
Toutes les
C'est
prières, les belles prières et les mots que tu as prononcés ont changé l'atmosphère de la pièce.
Exactement. C'est
Exactly.
tout à fait. Eh bien, c'est déjà bravo
Yes.
de s'en
That
être
is
rendu
already
compte.
very good. He said,
Yeah.
congratulations for having feeling it.
Interesting. Now to go into what exactly is happening when he's working with someone. Like if I want to start working with him, what will happen? Because what also caught my interest, I was reading a lot about him working with high athletes, high level
Yes.
CEOs, and able to transform their life into a much more powerful one in terms of health, abundance, performance. And I'm very curious how he does that, because we spoke about all these esoteric terms and it feels like we can do it in another plan, but how do we bring that into the actual action?
The same way he did now and he changed the energy of the place, he will do for you. But I will ask him the question. Il a dit, maintenant, comment ça se passe une séance avec toi et travailler avec toi?
Eh bien, je vais te laisser répondre.
Okay, he asked me to answer the question. So, Jean-Luc first has this gift from God that he said was the power of the verb. So, you feel it now, just the way he will unlock the energy in words will create for you a new reality, a new state of being. And we can feel it now because you feel there is now peace and harmony between all of us. And very fast, actually, it's been only 10
Yeah,
minutes.
especially when he mentioned love, I started to feel warm. around my heart.
Exactly. But you need to know that now is nothing because it's just an interview. When you work with him on this one-on-one, he will really unlock the energy and the power. He make the world alive and vibrant. And it will touch your physical body, your astral body, and your mental body. So it will work on these three plans at the same time. That's what makes his work really harmonious and balanced. This is the first thing. So there's a part of him using divine mantras that he will share with the participant. And this very special divine mantra, they got power in it. The power of love, of course, like it will make a purification of your memories because we've talked about karma. So, of course, it will purify your karma and then harmonize yourself. This is, I think, the most first important part. But not only, because what's happening is our quest as individual, which was mine when I met him. When I met him, I've been like looking for real master for 17 years. And this quest is about understanding consciousness. So he will share with you teachings, knowledge, so you can understand. You can make your life much more conscious. Who are you? He said it. It's inner divinity. Who are you really? What is your true identity? Who said it to you before? Someone said it to you before? Your real identity is inside you, your real divinity is already a real new paradigm, is a new change. So he will give you a lot of knowledge about, as he said, the different bodies, the elements, because there's a very precise knowledge behind. So you are on your really pure and harmonious spiritual path. This is already something very, very important. So I will say purification, mantras, learning, teaching. And of course, there are also a lot of practices.
Okay.
Because we need also to be clear, and I'm sure he will agree with me, without discipline, actually there is no real spiritual path. It's not possible. That's why also we work with athletes and elites, because if there is no discipline, you will never be like at the top of your game. And a lot of people in spirituality, I think they misunderstand and they get lost because they believe that they can access some state without any discipline. So they attract a lot of negative and maleficent energies.
Accéder au bonheur demande une discipline.
To access, and is summarizing, saying accessing happiness needs discipline. And now I really believe in it. So there is that, and so much more, because also Jean-Luc does magical rituals for some very cosmic days, for example, solstice,
peux dire
equinox. We just did one
Je
last
peux dire
night.
ce qu'on a fait hier.
Yes, we did one last night because today we are the 25th June, and yesterday was 24 June, because people, I need to make them clear about like the calendar. 24 is the Saint Jean, and last night we did a ritual for what they call it fire of the Saint Jean. So this practice was so simple, so pure, and really so beautiful. It's and now I will get like I feel it just talking about it, and the emotion will get me, but it's okay. It's just like really pure beauty about how the light, when just you allow it to burn, the negative and the memories that can make you like heavier, it will transmute it and make it just lighter in a very, very simple way. I really enjoyed yesterday, and really I'm touched to say, I let him hear this morning saying, wow, that was really pure and beautiful. But there are also many different things, because there is a real calendar and you follow different cosmic dates. Can be, as I said, solstice, can be equinox, can be, of course, Christmas, the first day of the new year, the 1st January. So every day carries a magical energy. Je dis simplement que chaque jour a une énergie magique qui lui est
Bien
propre.
sûr.
And so he has,
On appelle ça l'énergie du jour.
yes, we call it the energy of the day. And so I did with him a lot of rituals, very simple, but also very precise. You can't do whatever you want. There's a way to do it. So it is efficient. It brings real divine energies, and you can really have beneficial outcomes from it. And so many other things, but we'll keep some. J'ai dit, il y a tellement d'autres choses, mais on va laisser ça.
Ouais, il y a beaucoup d'autres choses, évidemment.
There's many other things.
Là,
yeah.
c'est difficile de résumer.
Yes,
I
difficult.
will have now a question, because you stay there so strong, like a mountain, and like nothing can touch you.
That is the reality,
was-
by the way. Il a dit, il te voit, tu es tellement fort, et on dirait que rien ne te touche.
But what was the moment in his life when
Quel a
he
été le
had
moment dans ta vie où
the
tu as
lowest
été
point,
au plus bas?
if you want to share,
Et si tu veux le partager.
to show that you are a human still?
Pour montrer que tu es quand même dans une expérience humaine.
Non, honnêtement,
Honestly,
moi, quand j'ai commencé l'enseignement, après, c'était fini.
when he started
Parce que
this
c'est-à-dire-
spiritual path,
c'est-à-dire
it
que-
was the end of suffering. Or, like, even not suffering, but
Quelles que soient les épreuves que je peux vivre dans
any
ma vie, ou que je
difficulties
pourrais avoir
or
dans ma
hard
vie,
times,
c'est pas pareil, parce que
it was different.
vous avez le problème reste extérieur à vous.
The problem stays
Yeah.
exterior.
Mais avant,
But before that,
Ah oui, mais
avant
dans-
ça, est-ce que tu as
dans
eu...
toute la vie.
Ah bah avant, c'était avant mes 30 ans, alors.
Before is in this case, it was before his
Yeah.
30 years.
Mais même quand j'ai eu des problèmes très difficiles, j'en sais pas.
Même
Qu'est-ce que
even
j'ai
when
pu
it was difficult, he forgot.
Comme tout jeune homme, quand il se lance dans la vie, marié, il faut gagner de l'argent, il faut se battre.
Yes, at the beginning he was married
je veux
young,
dire,
he needed to
voilà,
get money, but
vous
not-
êtes là en train de créer une entreprise, donc vous avez les problèmes d'un chef d'entreprise.
He was at the beginning of this company, so he got problems for having a first
Mais-
company.
Mais j'avais cette force qui était
But he got
simplement le
this
fait que
strength.
j'étais déjà un sportif de haut niveau et que j'avais un objectif dans ma vie, c'était le sport.
But you got
Donc,
already got strength
bon,
at this time.
je-
You already had strength as an
naturel-
athlete.
naturellement, j'étais optimiste.
He was naturally
Donc,
optimistic.
What
bon.
sport was he practicing?
Quels ont été tes sports?
Le karaté,
Karate.
Karaté, yes.
les sports de combat, et puis bien sûr le
Fighting
fitness,
art,
la gymnastique
fitness,
à l'époque.
gymnastic as
Et
well.
puis j'étais prof de fitness aussi.
Fitness also coach,
Voilà,
yes.
voilà. Donc j'étais coach fitness comme on appelle aujourd'hui.
Yes.
Mais oui, j'avais une motivation. Ma vie est faite de motivation. Donc et quand on est dans la motivation,
He was motivated. It's
Voilà,
very
donc,
simple.
est-ce que je peux dire, franchement, même là, je ne saurais pas quoi dire.
He's looking for, but he
Parce
doesn't
que-
know because it's
Yeah.
nothing comes.
Je veux dire, à partir du moment. En fait, je vais te répondre. Ma question était tant que vous avez la santé, franchement.
He always also got this belief that as soon as he is healthy, he's very
Voilà,
good.
moi je dis quand vous avez la santé, tout va. Pour le reste, bah,
If health is great,
voilà.
everything is good.
Dieu m'a donné une conscience pour que je puisse
God
avancer.
give him
Et puis,
consciousness,
voilà.
so he
Au
can
début,
move
je ne
forward
savais pas
and
qu'il
fine.
existait. Puis après, j'ai découvert qu'il existait.
He discovered it. So he didn't know before, now he knows, and that's it. Very simple.
Alors quand vous découvrez qu'il existe et que vous avez les preuves qu'il existe, bah, la vie elle change complètement.
His life changed as soon as he
Bon.
understood that God exists, and now he knows. He got proofs of it.
Et je pense que d'ailleurs, tu as une question à poser sur la solitude.
You say that, yes, you wrote me a question about loneliness. So you say that's your time to write this question.
It's a very interesting one because sometimes when you evolve that much, like in his case, and he sees from a different area, like a bird view. Right? I work with
Il a dit
falcons
que
and-
quand on t'observe, on dirait que bah, tu as une vue comme d'un oiseau très haut dans le ciel, une vue toi que tu appelles spatiale,
Ouais, une vision spatiale.
une vision spatiale.
Mhm. How does it feel? It doesn't
Comment-
feel lonely sometimes?
Est-ce que parfois tu te ressens seul? Est-ce que tu ressens la solitude?
Non.
Non.
Okay.
Non, je ne ressens pas la solitude parce que Dieu est avec moi, est en moi.
Because
Donc,
God is in him and with him.
Il ne s'agit pas, c'est pas une approche psychologique,
It's not a psychological
c'est
approach.
une approche réelle, énergétiquement vivante.
It's a real, alive, energetical approach.
Donc, à n'importe quel moment, je peux me mettre dans cet état intérieur où je peux me mettre dans la paix, la tranquillité, la sérénité ou bien d'autres choses en fonction de ce dont j'ai besoin.
So anytime he needs, he just needs to put himself in these states. And anything that he needs is coming from this inner state.
Quand vous recevez les énergies divines, vous êtes rempli de Dieu.
When you receive
Quand
divine
vous êtes-
energy, you are full of God.
Quand vous êtes rempli de Dieu, bah,
When you're
Vous
full
manquez
of
rien.
God,
Vous
when
êtes-
you are full of God, nothing is lacking.
tu es bien, tu es bien.
You're just good.
Ton corps va bien, tu es bien.
Your body is good. You feel good.
Sincèrement, j'ai un cas, je dirais, j'ai une vie extraordinaire parce que
He got an extraordinary life.
la chance est grâce à Serge Marjolais, je répète, parce que quand même l'enseignement initiatique vient de Serge Marjolais. Donc, grâce à lui, et je vais vous donner une première expérience que j'ai pu vivre avec lui.
So he's first thankful for Serge Marjolais, his master, and say he had an experience with him that he will now tell.
Donc, la
About-
première fois que je viens le voir,
First time he saw him
D'accord.
at a conference
il avait organisé un séminaire à Paris.
in Paris.
Voilà, et je rentre dans la pièce, il y avait des gens qui étaient assis, il y avait la musique.
He was in this room,
Je me dis,
seminar
qu'est-ce que c'est que
room.
ça? Bon, j'étais un peu méfiant. Hein.
He didn't know, was a little bit like, what
Voilà,
is
bon,
all of
j'ai vu un
this?
monsieur au fond avec des lunettes.
He saw him wearing his glasses.
Bon, bah, je me suis assis comme tout le monde, je
He
me suis mis en
sits.
tailleur.
He's seated there.
Et le monsieur, donc Serge me regarde,
And Serge, that he didn't know at this
il me dit,
time,
vous avec le pantalon vert, parce que j'avais un
and he
pantalon vert,
said, you with your green pants,
elle dit, vous auriez la Kundalini qui pourrait monter facilement.
you could have the Kundalini who could rise easily. And
Qu'est-ce que c'est la Kundalini?
Jean-Luc didn't know what was the Kundalini at
Et
this
puis,
time.
et il fait ça avec sa main.
And then Serge Marjolais, with his hand, just did like this.
Et là, je sens une force qui monte en moi.
And then he felt a strength in him.
Une force que je ne connaissais pas qui était
A
en moi.
strength inside him that he didn't know about, raising in him.
Bon, bah ça va, j'ai vite compris. Hein. C'est là qu'il fallait que je reste.
He quickly
Voilà.
understood at this time that he had to stay in this room and
Il a
seminar.
fallu 2 minutes pour comprendre
2
que
minutes.
j'étais dans
needed.
un monde hors
that,
du commun,
that he was in a extraordinary world,
que je venais de rencontrer un être extraordinaire.
that he just met an extraordinary man.
So interesting. You know that now my inner child was like, I want that too.
Maintenant, lui, il dit, moi aussi, j'aimerais ça.
Mais oui, mais je comprends, il a raison.
He said, yes, you're right. He understands
Il a
you.
raison. Bah, je suis là.
He said, he's here.
Can you do that as well?
Est-ce que tu peux faire ça aussi?
La Kundalini demande une préparation particulière.
No, the
Donc,
Kundalini asked
voilà.
for a preparation.
Mais,
If he did at this time for Jean-Luc, meaning Jean-Luc was ready. Et s'il l'a fait pour toi, c'est qu'à ce moment-là, tu étais prêt.
Oui, moi j'étais prêt.
He was ready.
Donc, parce que la Kundalini, c'est parce que j'étais structurellement prêt.
He was in his structure already ready,
D'accord?
Okay.
Sans le savoir.
without knowing it.
Mais ça, c'est dû à mon passé karmique.
But because of his karma, his past karma. So
D'accord, et donc je suis
it was a fruit. So,
D'accord.
donc c'était un
Parce que-
fruit.
Oui, c'est parce que donc je suis arrivé, mais il y avait des gens dans la pièce, mais à qui il a fait uniquement à moi.
There were a lot of people in this room, but he did, Serge only did it for him.
Et je l'ai jamais vu faire à d'autres personnes.
He never did it after that to anyone else. So
En 35 ans, je n'ai jamais
in
vu faire à d'autres
35
personnes.
years after that, he never saw him do it again.
Interesting.
Donc voilà.
So,
Mais oui, je peux faire vivre plein de choses.
but he can
Yeah.
do, he is able to do a lot of things.
Je dirais, lui, il a besoin de force vitale.
For at the beginning, for you, you need
La force
vital
vitale
strength, Christic vital strength,
Christic.
vital
La force vitale
Strength.
christique.
strength.
Voilà, pour remplir.
Yes, to fill you.
La recherche spirituelle est difficile.
The spiritual path is difficult.
Il y a de nombreux pièges.
There are a lot of holes and dead hand.
Yes.
Voilà, et donc.
I told you that.
Yeah. This I've seen it as well because
Il l'a vu
being-
aussi.
Ouais.
Being here, I have this group since more than 7 years, and I've been
Il l'a vu ici, il a un groupe depuis 7 ans maintenant.
so I've been seeing all the holistic methods and all this.
Il a vu un très grand nombre de méthodes.
and I saw many people broken apart going.
Il a
to
vu
the
beaucoup de gens être cassés
Ouais,
à la suite de ces méthodes.
session. So that's why it
Yes.
makes sense. When I
Ça
hear
fait
it.
sens ce que tu partages.
But the Kundalini part is interesting. And
La partie sur la Kundalini, c'est très
Bien sûr,
intéressant.
la Kundalini, c'est la force forte de toutes
I
les
have many
forces.
experiences that way. So I've learned practices from the Tantra and Tao and some.
Il a pratiqué le Tao et le Tantra et il se demande comment ça fonctionne.
And then it starts. So when something activated
Okay.
on under the belly button, so the moment that
Ce
I
qui
even-
s'active en dessous du nombril,
Ben, justement,
the
la
lower
pre-
dantian.
je vais t'expliquer. La première erreur, c'est de faire ça.
the first error, it's to do this.
Oh
Yes.
no.
Yes.
Pourquoi?
this was
Pourquoi?
bad.
Parce,
Yes.
que, parce que
Okay.
tu touches
Why?
aux forces inférieures du corps.
Because you are touching inferior energies below the belly button.
D'accord. Pour que tu comprennes bien.
So to
Victor,
understand,
le premier chakra, c'est ici, c'est
the
pas en bas.
first chakra is crown chakra.
Yeah.
D'accord? Donc c'est le chakra Sahasrara. C'est quand
Sahasrara
le chakra
chakra.
Sahasrara s'ouvre, que les énergies, et que la fontanelle s'ouvre, que les énergies peuvent rentrer, pénétrer par le chakra de la tête, traverser le chakra Ajna, Vishuddha, Anahata, Manipura, Swadhisthana, Muladhara, et les chakras des pieds. Et la plupart des gens ont leur chakra des pieds fermé. Donc, les énergies négatives qui doivent être éliminées par les chakras des pieds, eh bien, ne le sont pas. Donc, ils sont fermés en haut et ils sont fermés en bas.
So the first thing is to understand how does it work. First chakra is crown chakra. And then so it's Sahasrara. So the energy, divine energy go through Sahasrara and here Ajna, the third eye, and then goes Vishuddha and Anahata and Manipura, the solar plexus, and Svadhisthana, Muladhara till the feet. A lot of people, there's a chakra under the feet, and the chakra under the feet is not even open. So what does it create? What is generated? It's just that the divine energy, they are supposed to go from the top to down to clear your bodies and your memories. But then if this chakra is closed, it doesn't work. So people, they are like in an aquarium, stuck in their energy field, full of pollution. And so it doesn't start from here.
Okay.
You don't touch here.
All right.
When you do that at one point, progressively, the Kundalini itself will raise with this divine energy. Ce que j'ai dit, et tu me compléteras si besoin, c'est que quand on laisse ce processus de purification des énergies divines se faire, à un moment donné, progressivement, la Kundalini elle-même
Ah oui,
se
parce
mettra en
que
mouvement.
quand les énergies divines du ciel descendent sur toi et qu'elles te purifient, elles purifient tes nadis, elles purifient tes chakras et sous-chakras, et elles expulsent les énergies négatives par les chakras des pieds. À partir de là, la Kundalini, divine mère Kundalini, peut monter spontanément. Absolument. Et là, ça, c'est la bonne pratique. D'ailleurs, vous pouvez aller sur le site de Serge Marjollet, qui s'appelle Divine Énergie, qui est les premières vidéos au monde qui vous permet de recevoir les énergies divines parce qu'il les transmet.
So we'll explain that. It's very important. What he's saying is, because you ask about the Kundalini rising. So the divine energies, when they come through your crown chakra, it's going through the entire body, through your nadis, chakra. There's all other chakras, you know, they are the same, the seven main chakras, but other sub-chakras. And then it's clearing, cleaning, and purifying. And then after that, slowly, progressively, with this practice of receiving the real pure divine energies, the Mother Kundalini could rise. Then, something that really helped, there is Serge Marjollet, his master. He got this YouTube channel called Divine Energy. On this YouTube channel called Divine Energy, Serge Marjollet shared with the entire world for the first time divine energies through YouTube video.
Really?
Yes. So there's prayers, practices in it, and people, they can listen it for free to receive through a real master who was a real mage, Christic mage, these divine energies to purify themselves daily, on a daily basis.